Let's explore HTML header tags. These tags, represented by the letters H followed by a number, are essential for structuring content on the web. We will understand how to properly use and implement H1 to H6 tags for semantic HTML structure and search engine optimization. Header tags, ranging from H1 to H6, are HTML elements that define the hierarchical structure of web content. They act as titles and subtitles, helping both users and search engines to grasp the organization and importance of content on a web page. Here's a code snippet illustrating how these tags are used, from H1 for the main title to H6 for the most detailed heading. The H1 tag is the most important header tag. There should only be one H1 tag per page. It represents the main topic of the page and is critical for both search engine optimization and accessibility. The content within the H1 tag should match the page's primary title. Here is a visual representation. The H1 tag should be your page's primary heading and should clearly describe the page's main topic. It's typically similar to your page's title tag and appears prominently at the top of your content. The H2 tags are used to create major sections within your content. Multiple H2 tags are allowed on a single page, but they should always follow a single H1 tag. These are used for primary content divisions. The H3 tags create subsections within the H2 sections, maintaining a clear content hierarchy. They should always follow a logical H2 parent. They are ideal for detailed breakdowns. Here we can see examples of both H2 and H3 tags. H4, H5, and H6 tags are used for organizing content into more detailed levels. H4 tags are used for organizing detailed content within subsections, suitable for complex articles or documentation. H5 tags are ideal for further breaking down complex topics into smaller, more manageable subsections. And H6 tags represent the most detailed level of content organization and are used sparingly for highly structured content. Here you can see the usage of each of these tags. Here's a practical example of a header hierarchy. The H1 tag is for the main title, followed by an H2 for major sections. H3 tags are used for subsections, H4 tags for semantic elements, H5 tags for header tags themselves, and H6 tags for best practices. It is important to follow proper nesting rules. Headers must follow a hierarchical order, and you should not skip header levels going down. You can skip levels going back up. Also, each section should maintain proper depth, and deeper levels like H4 to H6 should be used sparingly. A clear structure helps search engines, improves content readability, enhances accessibility, betters user experience, and makes content navigation easier. Let's look at some common mistakes and best practices. Common mistakes include using incorrect hierarchy order, having multiple H1 tags on a page, skipping header levels, using headers for styling only, and not having a logical structure. Best practices are to use a single H1 tag first, follow a logical hierarchy flow, maintain proper nesting order, use semantic structure, and aim for clear content organization. The example shows incorrect use on the left and the correct implementation on the right. Always aim for clear, logical, and well-structured use of heading tags. Using header tags properly offers several structural and technical benefits. Structurally, it creates a clear content hierarchy, improves the document outline and readability, and maintains the semantic structure of the content. Technically, it enhances search engine optimization rankings through proper structure, improves accessibility for screen readers, and facilitates better content indexing. Proper header structure is fundamental to both user experience and technical optimization. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.